day-to-day basis, it just causes some frustration with maintaining my look, shaving my head. It's kind of irritable, takes away from confidence, maintaining a professional appearance for work. Hair loss kind of detracts from that. So I've kind of tried natural stuff, mostly oils, massaging different oils, coconut oil, almond oil, castor oil, olive oil, and nothing too extreme. I guess I've ordered some sprays, biotin, B6, stuff like that. I just feel excited, ecstatic. Turned out better than I imagined. I can't wait to just surprise everyone with it and see their reaction. Feeling more confident and can't wait to just go to sleep with it, wake up with it, style it in different ways. Super excited on how it turned out. I think I'm thoroughly impressed and I definitely would recommend this to anybody.